It's been a rainy day here across the Mid-South. It got to 81 before those storms moved through. We can see at the Memphis International Airport picking up right around 7/10 of an inch of rain, so getting close to an inch, at least here in the Memphis metro. And it looks like more wet weather is on the way. So let's talk about what we're seeing right now. You can see that line of storms that we were talking about still working towards the northeast, but we are going to be watching out down towards the southwest, out towards south central Arkansas for the development of more downpours, even some thunderstorms as we head into tonight. So we're not done with the rainfall quite yet, especially here in the Memphis metro. So tomorrow morning, still seeing the chance of some showers, around a 40% chance of rain. Temperatures upper 60s, so a very mild start to the day by 9 a.m., sitting right around 70 degrees with maybe some showers and storms moving through the area. So let's break down hour by hour what you can expect. The first leading line of storms should be out of the area by the time that we get to around 6 to 7 p.m. Then our attention turns back towards the west again. Like we said, we'll watch for the development maybe of some isolated scattered downpours and thunderstorms moving through the Mid-South as we head towards midnight. In fact, this is midnight. You can see some of the heavier rain starting to move at least into eastern Arkansas. This will push into the Memphis metro right around 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning and should linger as you go throughout the morning hours. And we can't rule out some isolated downpours to start off your day. So just keep that in mind if you're heading out in the morning for work. You might be dealing with some wet roadways. Now, we will see a brief lull in precipitation. Temperatures getting into the low, even middle 80s to get into the afternoon before maybe some more showers and storms isolated in nature as we get into the late evening hours around 6 to 9 p.m. before we start to see things quiet down a little bit as we head into your overnight Monday night into Tuesday morning. So tomorrow afternoon, I think around midday, we're going to end that first chance of showers and storms. We'll have to wait until we get a little bit later on, but temperatures warmer, low to mid 80s as they're getting into the afternoon. Let's take a look going forward though. High pressure is in place, and I want to show you this atmospheric moisture, these dark greens, and this is why we're seeing so much rain in our forecast. That's going to continue for the next couple days. So you have those isolated storm chances on Monday. Then a cold front is working out of the plains, and this is going to start to increase wind energy in the area, and that could set the stage for some severe weather on Tuesday, but also Wednesday. And this looks to be probably the best chance of some storms, even some stronger storms for this week. So that's something we're going to keep an eye on. In fact, taking a look from the Storm Prediction Center, this is for Tuesday. We have a level 2 slight risk for severe weather. Looks like all types of severe weather are going to be on the table for this one, and that continues for your Wednesday. Looks like another round of severe weather possible as you head towards the middle of the week. So your 7-day forecast going forward, a high of 83 degrees tomorrow. Isolated showers and storms will be in the middle 80s as we go Tuesday and into Wednesday. I think the chance of severe weather on Tuesday and Wednesday is going to be possible here in the Mid-South. But the good news, Kevin, is once you get past the middle of the week, looking a lot better.
That is good news. It's also good news that hopefully Riverbeat not going to be too impacted today. Huh?
Yeah, just a couple straight showers and downpours, but I think at least the bulk of that rain has moved through.
All right, I'm happy for that. Excited for anyone who's going out there to see Jelly Roll. Looks like it's going to be a great time.